If you floss like this, you might actually be damaging your gums every single day. And this is exactly why so many people hate flossing. I used to hate flossing too. It hurts, it feels awkward, and it's very easy to do wrong. But there's one simple trick that makes flossing easier, safer, more enjoyable, and actually effective. And by the way, this video is sponsored by Flossr. I'll show you how I use it in a moment. So here's the problem. Most people think flossing is just about getting something between the teeth. So they do this, and that's it. But that's not how you clean between your teeth. That's just damaging your gums. When you force the floss straight through the contact like that, it snaps into your gums, causes irritation, and creates more trauma in that area. Now, once or twice doesn't matter, but if you repeat that same motion every single day, your gums don't get a chance to recover properly. And over time, this can lead to gum inflammation and even gum recession. That's why people often say, flossing makes my gums bleed. But in many cases, it's not flossing itself, it's the way it's done. So here's a simple trick that changes everything. Do not force the floss through the contact point. Guide it through. So instead of pushing the floss straight down, use a gentle sawing motion. This reduces pressure on the gums and allows the floss to slide through naturally. So instead of a sudden snap, you get a controlled, smooth entry that doesn't damage your gums. Now this is the part most people miss. Once you're between the teeth, this is where the real cleaning happens. Because plaque doesn't sit between teeth like a chunk. It sticks to the sides of the teeth. So if you just go up and down quickly, you're barely removing anything. Instead, wrap the floss around the tooth into a C shape. Now you're actually cleaning the surface where plaque lives, not just passing between the teeth and only removing food debris. Then, once you have the correct C shape, move the floss up and down along the tooth surface. Not too fast, not aggressive, just controlled and precise movements. Think of it like this. You're not flossing between teeth. You're cleaning each tooth individually. Now, even when you understand the technique, flossing can still feel awkward, because control is the biggest problem. But what I'm about to show you might change that. This part of the video is sponsored by Flossr, and I'll show you exactly how I use it. One of the biggest reasons people struggle with flossing is lack of control. The floss slips, it snaps, and it's hard to position properly. What I like about this is that it gives you much better control of the movement, especially when using the correct technique I just showed. And one thing I personally like a lot is that the floss itself is replaceable. With most floss picks, you're stuck with whatever floss they come with. And often, it's not ideal. It's usually too thick, too round, or it doesn't glide well. But with this, I can choose the floss I want to use. I like my floss to be thin and flat, so it's easier to get through tight contacts. And that alone makes a big difference. Another big plus for me is the amount of plastic waste. With disposable floss picks, you throw away a full plastic piece every time. And if you floss daily, that adapts quickly over time and isn't great for the environment. But with something like this, you reuse the handle and only replace the floss. So you're using significantly less plastic overall. That's just a much smarter long-term approach. And one more thing I like about this, it's made from stainless steel, which is commonly used in dental instruments, so it feels durable and easy to keep clean. And it's small enough to carry with you, so you can actually floss anywhere, not just at home. So overall, it's a more long-term and practical option compared to disposable floss picks. So if you want to check it out, I've put a link in the description. You can take a look and see if it fits your routine. But if flossing still feels difficult, there are other options like floss picks. But again, the technique has to be right if you want the full benefit. So watch this video next, where I show you exactly how to use soft picks the right way for the best results.